Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today. Got a pile of hammers here and a little bit of sarcasm. Well, quite a little bit of sarcasm. Pretty much every shop and every wrench out there that works on vehicles has got them a pile of hammers. And every once in a while, they got a funny word that goes with that pile of hammers. You get your parts and stuff, and they pretty much all come across seas nowadays. It's hard to get American-made stuff, but that's the world that we live in. I ordered up a set of rotors, and this is what got delivered to me. I'm kind of speechless on this. I know that they come across seas and stuff, but this one here actually looks like it was thrown overboard on a rope to slow it down. I'm kind of speechless. And this is right in there. I'm going, you got to be kidding me. This is a new rotor. I'm not going to have these turned. They can get me another set. I just wanted to kind of show you guys. You need to check your parts over. Don't let them take and clean their mess up by just turning these down and taking a lot of surface off. You know, every once in a while you get rotors and you've got to take and check them before you put them on. You might have to take off just a little bit to make sure that they're true. But I'll tell you one thing, this is going to take more than just a little bit. Yep. So y'all have a great day out there. Be safe. And I'll tell you one thing, it really pays to open your boxes up that you pay for when you get parts and check them out. Especially if you live a long ways away from the parts store. Some places might just pad slap this. Not going to happen. And I'm not taking it back down there to have them turn it. Nor am I turning them here. But y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. And we'll see you all around. Thank you very much. Bye.